Hey everyone, this is People16A, and you might be wondering why my hair is wet. And to that I say, don't ask questions, because questions are dangerous. And anyway, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Stacker 2 Extreme Extra Strength. It's like a double extreme energy shot. And this thing, I've seen Stacker's website, and they're pretty crazy, and so I'm expecting this to be equally crazy in terms of the product. So just a quick comparison between one of the 5-hour energy extra strengths and the Stacker 2 is that this is a full 2 fluid ounces or 60 milliliters, and this is a 1.93 fluid ounce or 57 milliliters. So there's 3 more milliliters of liquid inside this compared to this. That, and included in the energy blend, this has 2,000 focus. Can you see that? Can you see it? Focusing. Okay, this has 2,200 milligrams of the energy blend, and the extra strength 5-hour energy has 2,000. In addition to that, the Stacker has 10 milligrams, or excuse me, 1 milligram of an enzyme blend, which is amylase, protease, lipase, cellulase, and lactase. So something to do with lactic acid, I think, and that should help the energy blend to absorb faster. And for this video, I'm going to do something kind of unique. I'm actually going to take it now and then get back to you later on how it worked, because it is 11:15 and I'm tired, so we're going to see how this works. Get back to you in some time. Oh, one more thing. This has 0 calories and 0 sugar, so you can feel super healthy while you're drinking it, and it is a grape flavor, so I'll get back to you on all of that momentarily. Okay guys, so I just drank the entire thing, and the flavor was like grape cough medicine, but watery grape cough medicine, and it was definitely not as good as the 5-hour energy flavor at all. I know there was a different flavor in the grocery store, but I chose grape because usually grape is pretty good. And this time I'm going to have to say no, it was not that good. Anyway, I'll get back to you about the energy effects, I think in the next 4 or so hours, should be. Alright guys, I'm back. It is the complete next day from last night when I drank the Stacker 2. I drank it at about 11:15 last night, and I was up, and I was tired when I drank it, but I was up until like 3:15 in the morning, so that's already like a good 4 hours. Sorry about that. It was already about a good 4 hours that this thing was lasting, and I remember I drank it and I left the room, and like within 5 minutes, I don't usually get the niacin flush that they talk about right here, but it basically says that because of the niacin in here, it can cause what's called a niacin flush, and that is where your capillaries close to your skin take more oxygen than they are supposed to, and you get kind of flushed and you feel hot. And that happened to me within like 5 minutes of stepping out of my room and going and playing Modern Warfare 3. So yeah, that doesn't usually happen with me, so this stuff definitely did. And I think the reason that it actually happened to me this time is because this has the enzyme blend, and that is my neighbor. If you can hear that, they're yelling outside. But yeah, so that's the enzyme blend, and I think that is what caused the niacin flush. For the duration of the energy, I was like almost uncomfortably energized until like 2 in the morning when I finally tried to go to sleep, and then I was up watching YouTube videos until like 3:15. I tried to go to bed, and it took a little while for me to actually like go to sleep, because you know that horrible feeling when you know you should be sleeping because it's 3 in the morning and you try and sleep but you can't. That's exactly what's happening. So yeah, these Stacker 2s, I would say extra strength extreme, the double overdose of enzymes and B6 and B12 and caffeine definitely is effective. It woke me right up from being almost pass out tired last night, and yeah, it definitely does work. And if you really want to be uncomfortably energized, then go ahead and try that. So in conclusion, these Stacker 2s, let me get back out. I don't know why I keep putting it away. Stupid. Yeah, these Stacker 2s, they come in a pack of 2 for like $2 or $3, I think, which is a much better deal than 1 for 5 Hour Energy. And they definitely, it is a slightly larger serving size than the 5 Hour Energies. 5 Hour Energies are 1.3 fluid ounces, and these are 2. So that's like 7 milliliters difference. So they're slightly larger, and they definitely have a much bigger kick. So I guess for the money, they are a better value. It just comes at the cost of being an uncomfortable experience. At least it was for me. But I'd say try them out, and maybe it'll affect you better than it affected me. And I'm glad I could make this review for you guys. And if you want to see more, subscribe and like the video. I really appreciate it. And see you later.